What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm so incredibly excited to be pouring my first ever double kilo bar. Let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. I'm so excited for this video. It's gonna be insane. I cannot wait to do this pour. So before we get into all of it, let me show you a little sneak peek of what to expect. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so as you can see, this is gonna be absolutely epic, massive, and awesome. I'm gonna be doing an open cast. My friend who I'm pouring the bar for sent me a bunch of silver. He sent me some bars and some shot and some rounds, which I already have melting down in one of my furnaces. I have to use 2 furnaces for this pour, fill them both up all the way with silver. We got to get 2,000 grams at least into this bar. So this is what I'm going to be using for the design. It is a dragon. It looks awesome. He said just go crazy and have fun with it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So let me take you over to the spot where I make the actual cast, and then we will continue on with this awesome project. Okay, so I got the dragon pressed in there pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the dragon out and we'll see what it looks like. There we go. Nice. Got a nice little dragon imprint there on the bottom now. Perfect, that's exactly what we're going for. So I'm gonna build up the sides on this a little bit more and we're almost ready to pour. Here we go. Okay, we got the full 2 kilos of silver in there. Wow. Definitely not as thick as I was expecting. I mean, look how high up I had the sides of the walls just in case. So it is still, right now, all liquid. This is gonna stay liquid for a while. Let's get out and get a little bit closer here so we can check this bad boy out. Oh, and we're actually burning on the outside. Check that out. Okay, I hope it's not melting the bottom. If it does melt the bottom and go through this pan that I have here, then it will go on to the rocks below it. So anyway, look at that. Can you imagine if I drop my phone in that right now? And this is actually flaming pretty good here. I got my fire extinguisher handy if I need it. I might need it. This thing is such a massive pour. I'm gonna open my garage and put this outside because this is gonna catch fire really fast. Okay, so I set it down outside here and it is still just flaming like absolutely crazy there. We got some really unique ripples on the way out as I was rushing this whole thing out. We definitely did some major burning on this mold here. I'm not gonna use that anymore, but look at it just going in there. I hope the bottom still looks legit. I have no idea what it looks like. I can only hope it's a dragon. I knew it was gonna be liquid for a long time. I did not expect the entire thing to start getting engulfed in flames. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes and I just cannot wait to take a look at this puppy. So I'm just gonna slide the mold off here. Oh, wow. Now it's really smoking. If it wasn't smoking before, it is smoking now, but look how big this bar is. Let's get this thing out here. Take a look at what we got. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Look at that, still flames going even now. Wow, this thing is so big. I can barely even pick it up, but I'm gonna quench it here, okay? I got it picked up. I'm gonna quench it. I will let you guys do the quench with me. So here we go. Ready for the quench? Hopefully I don't drop it. That was the most insane quench I think I've ever done. But this water is super hot now. Oh yeah. Is there a dragon? Oh, there definitely is a little bit of a dragon at least. Oh yes. Look at that. That is absolutely crazy cool looking. Wow. I'm gonna go get this cleaned up a little bit and then I'll show you what we got. All right, so I want to weigh the bar here before I show you the final finishing process. I did sort of roughly finish the front here. It's looking really sweet, and I started sanding down the back, which is looking great as well. So at the end of the day, this is going to be a handmade, awesome, beautiful looking 2 kilogram bar. So I'm really excited to see how this finishes out. But we have to weigh it. So for 2 kilograms being the final goal, this has to weigh over 2,000 grams. And when you're sanding it down in the finishing process, you lose a couple grams here and there. So hopefully this is still well over 2,000 grams. So let's get it weighed here. I did have to go out and buy a new scale. So this is a brand new scale to me. We are zeroed at 0.0 grams. So let's see here. Come on, over 2,000. Come on, baby. Fingers crossed. Oh yeah, there we go, 2,026 grams. So we are well over 2 kilograms, and let's get this all finished now. Here we go. Okay, so here's the finished piece. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, so much detail in this 2 kilogram dragon bar. Wow, so check out the face. I think I did a pretty good job getting the dragon to turn out. Look at all the detail. It just pops with that antiqued finish. Super, super cool. All of the hand-hammered sides turned out really, really cool. Oh man, just look at that. So much detail in there. Now, how about this side, huh? Oh my gosh, that is absolutely insane. So cool. It's got the 2 kg, 2 kilogram stamp on there, 999 fine silver, and the P for prototype, as well as my dragon stamp on there. Man, I'm just loving this bar. I could look at this forever. So I would ask, please share this video so that other people can see the process that it took to make this work of art. I had so much fun making this. Let's weigh it one more time to make sure we're still over 2 kilograms. So we'll get a final weight on it. I expect it to be over 2,000 for sure. There we are, 2,023.9. Awesome. So we're over 2 kilograms on this thing. That's what I was going for. And it's good because I already stamped it, 2 kilograms. But anyway, if you haven't seen my first 1 kilo pour, that was an awesome video as well. It's not like this. It's definitely a different type of pour, and there's some drama in that video. So I'll put a card up in the corner. Check out my first ever 1 kilo bar pour if you haven't seen that one yet. But I'm just going to keep on looking at this bar because, oh my gosh, look at that face on that thing. That's almost scary looking, right? There's like some soot or some fire that was coming out of this dragon's mouth. It is a Chinese dragon, and I think it definitely is perfect for this bar. It does the bar justice. Man, what a cool piece. So anyway, I'm going to be so sad to see this go. I got to get it mailed out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate you all so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Silver Dragons out.